Buckle up, folks. This rundown ain't just specs on paper. It's a rally cry for the 410 as must-have American iron. The core pitch? This bore ain't no wimp next to thundering 12 gauges. It's a sly powerhouse, punching way above its class with smart adaptability. Easy handling for all, from rookies to pros. Multi-roll magic from woods to walls. Designs fusing old-school charm with tactical flair. Sure, it amps up the hype, but slugs out-kicking 357 energy and buckshot patterns snug as a glove. That's real cred. Craving a versatile scattergun sans the recoil regret? The 410 your ride. Affordable, agile, ready to rock. Which one's whispering your name? What if I told you, in a realm ruled by booming 12 gauges, a sneaky contender sneaks in, the 410 bore shotgun with lightweight grace, hush recoil vibes, and versatility that flips scripts from duck blinds to doorsteps? Low-kick wizardry suits newbies, petite frames, or punch-seekers sans pain. Not the brood of bigger bores, but gritty enough for hunts, plinks, or patrols. We're tearing into top 410, from classic pumps to funky hybrids, packed with perks. Hang tight. You'll crave one by fade out. If this sparks like sub to survival gear armory, bell on for more gear grit. Mossberg 500. 410 pump action. Ever wonder why the classics never die? Let's kick things off with the Mossberg 500. 410 pump action, a rock-solid workhorse that's been earning its stripes since forever. What if you're chasing quail through thick cover or just need a reliable field companion that won't weigh you down? This bad boy steps up with a 24-inch vent rib barrel topped by a full fixed choke, dialing in patterns that keep your shots on point. Pump it smooth thanks to those dual extractors and twin action bars that laugh off jams, ensuring every cycle feels like butter. Holding 6+1 rounds of 2.5-inch or 3-inch shells, it tips the scales at a comfy 6.25 pounds with an overall length of 43.75 inches, making it a breeze to swing. The wood stock adds that old-school charm, while the bead sight keeps things simple and effective. Priced around $500, it's a no-nonsense entry into 410 life. Great for small game, pests, or even introducing the kids to shooting without overwhelming them. But here's the kicker. Its rugged build means it thrives in mud, rain, or whatever Mother Nature throws, turning everyday hunts into epic tales. Imagine popping a squirrel at 20 yards or clearing varmints from the barn. This Mossberg's got your back, blending affordability with the kind of dependability that builds legends. Kel-Tec KSG410. Now, what if you crave something a tad more futuristic? Like a bullpup that packs a punch in a pint-sized package. Enter the Kel-Tec KSG410 pump-action bullpup, the oddball genius that's got folks rethinking what a 410 can do. Picture squeezing through tight hallways or stashing it in your truck. How does 26.1 inches overall with an 18.5-inch barrel sound for maneuverability? This lightweight champ clocks in at 5 pounds 1 ounce unloaded, thanks to heavy polymer use, but don't let that fool you. It's built for business. The dual magazine tubes are the star here, stuffing in 14+1 rounds of 2.5-inch shells or 10+1 of 3-inchers. And yeah, you can mix loads, like birdshot in one for pests and buckshot in the other for serious stops. Flip the selector lever and you're switching ammo on the fly. No sweat. It ships with a fiber optic front sight in a carry handle, or swap it for a Picatinny rail and slap on a micro red dot for precision. Fixed cylinder bore means wide patterns, 10-12 inches with birdshot at 7 yards, under 2 inches for buckshot, making it a defensive dynamo. At an MSRP starting at $495, it's a steal for anyone wanting tactical edge without the bulk. Think about it. In a home invasion scenario, you're pumping out rounds fast, covering angles like a pro. Or out in the woods, it's your go-to for versatility that keeps you one step ahead. Henry Repeating Arms X model. Ever pondered the allure of a lever action that feels like it stepped out of a Western but packs modern muscle? That's the Henry Repeating Arms X Model 410. Lever action for you, a sleek operator that's as tough as nails. What if you could flip from birdshot blasts to slug accuracy without missing a beat? built on a carbon steel 4570 receiver with a matte blue finish. This all-steel beast weighs 7 pounds 8 ounces, giving it that reassuring heft for steady shots. The 19.8-inch round smooth-bore barrel handles 2.5-inch shells only, but comes with interchangeable Invector-style choke tubes to tweak your spread. Load up 6 rounds through the right side gate, and you're set. Drilled and tapped for Picatinny or Weaver rails, it begs for a micro red dot in defense mode or a scope for slug hunting. That bright fiber optic front sight shines for quick acquisition, and if you mount an optic, the grooved hammer spur takes Henry's knurled extension for easy cocking. Black polymer stocks shrug off weather and dings with MLOX slots and a 1.85-inch 4-slot Picatinny rail up front for lights, lasers, or bipods. No threaded muzzle here, but the flexibility turns it into a multi-tool. Pest control one day, home guard the next. It's the kind of gun that adapts to your needs, whether you're trekking miles or holding the fort. Henry Axe lever action. Speaking of adaptability, what if you ditched the traditional stock altogether and went for something that feels like it belongs in a Mad Max flick? Yeah, that's where the Henry Axe lever action comes roaring in. A stockless wonder that's all about quick draw fun and close quarters chaos. Imagine slinging this on your hip in a scabbard, ready to fend off whatever the wasteland throws your way. Zombies, varmints, or just a bad day at the range. It's got that butter-smooth lever action Henry is famous for, cycling rounds like a dream without a hitch. Chambered in 410 for those 2.5-inch shells, it holds 5 rounds in the magazine with side gate loading to keep you topped off mid-action. No stock means it's super intuitive to point and shoot, especially in tight spaces like your home hallways or a cramped blind. Weighing in light and maneuverable, it's not built for long-range deer hunts. You'd look silly trying, but for conflict resolution or plinking pests, it's a blast. The distinctive axe handle pistol grip gives it that unique vibe, setting it apart from bird's head grips on other models. Pair it with buckshot for home defense, and you've got a lightweight defender that moves with you, not against you. Think about navigating your living room in the dark. This thing swings easy, points naturally, and delivers 4 to 10 punch without the recoil kickback. Or out in the field, it's your quirky sidekick for snapping off shots at squirrels or clays. Sure, it's a bit of a novelty, but in a world full of serious tools, sometimes you need one that just makes you grin. And at a price that won't break the bank, it's tempting to add to the collection for those just-in-case moments. Taurus Judge Home Defender, shifting gears to the revolver side, because why not blend handgun heritage with shotgun swagger? What if you wanted a wheel gun that laughs at caliber limits and serves up versatility on a silver platter? Cue the Taurus Judge Home Defender Revolver, the beefed-up evolution that's gunning for non-NFA shotgun territory. Picture this. You're fortifying your homestead, and this beast steps up with a 13-inch rifled barrel that spins shot loads just right, keeping patterns usable out to 5 to 10 yards for birdshot or buckshot. But where it really shines is with dot Colt rounds, grouping tight at 1.06 inches from 15 yards when paired with a red dot, blowing past shorter-barreled judges that spread out to 3 to 3.5 inches. The 5-shot cylinder handles 3-inch 410 shells, complete with gap shields to keep things safe and clean. Ditch the iron sights. It's factory-fitted with an optics rail for that modern edge, letting you dial in precision without fuss. At $730 MSRP, it's positioned as a bridge between revolvers and tactical shotguns, like the Mossberg Shockwave but with that revolver reliability. Load it mixed, maybe some buck for close threats and slugs for reach, and you've got a multi-threat stopper. In a self-defense drill, imagine the longer barrel giving you better velocity and control, turning potential chaos into calculated response. Or at the range, it's a hoot testing loads, from spinning shot that opens quick for room clearing to 45 Colt punch that reaches farther. It's not for everyone. Shot patterns limit distance. But for home turf or as a truck gun, it adapts like a chameleon, offering customizable firepower without the bulk of a full shotgun. Toss in the ability to handle 410 low recoil, and it's ideal for folks who want power without punishment. Solenarms SR410. And speaking of revolver ingenuity, what if someone mashed up a 6-shooter with a scattergun and made it backpack friendly? That's the wild card known as the Solenarms SR410 revolver shotgun. The updated version bumps the stock length to a comfy 13.25-inch length of pull and stretches the barrel to 12.2 inches for better range, all while keeping the overall footprint at 24 inches and weight at a featherlight 4.5 pounds. Reload like any modern revolver. Unlock the 5-shot cylinder, swing it out left and down, and you're back in business. Fire double action for speed or cock the hammer single action for precision. Your call. Don't underestimate the 410 here. Slugs pack nearly double the muzzle energy of a .357 Magnum, making it potent for defense or small game. Chambered for 2.5-inch or 3-inch shells, it's threaded for chokes to fine-tune patterns. Whether you're popping pests or standing guard, imagine trekking through the woods. This tucked away until needed, quick to deploy, easy to handle, and versatile enough for birdshot clays or buckshot backups. In a survival setup, it's the ultimate utility piece, blending concealability with shotgun spread. Rossi USA Tuffy. Ready for a single-shot simplicity that packs survival smarts into every ounce. Let's talk about the Rossi USA Tuffy single-shot break action. The featherweight champ that's got utility written all over it. What if you needed a gun that breaks down smaller than your backpack and still holds its own against critters or intruders? This one's a game changer, tipping the scales at just 2 pounds, 14.5 ounces, thanks to smart polymer everywhere, from receiver to stock. Twist out the front sling swivel, pop off the fore end, and it folds up compact for stashing in your go bag. But here's the clever bit. That thumb hole stock isn't just for show. It's modded with side shell holders, gripping up to 8 rounds of 2.5-inch or 3-inch shells, so you're never caught empty-handed. Available in black, gray, OD green, or tan. It blends into any scenario. And at an MSRP of $187, it's budget-friendly without skimping on toughness. Imagine hiking deep into the woods, this slung over your shoulder, light as air, ready to snap open for a quick shot at rabbits or snakes, or in a pinch for home defense. Its low recoil means fast follow-ups if needed. It's not fancy, but in a world gone sideways, this Tuffy's the reliable buddy that keeps things simple and effective, proving sometimes less really is more. Rossi Brawler. Now, what if you blended pistol portability with shotgun spread, creating a hybrid that's equal parts fun and functional? Enter the Rossi Brawler single-shot pistol, the revived rimfire that got a serious glow-up for 2023. Picture toting this in your holster like a sidearm, but with 410 bite for pests or protection. How's that for everyday carry with a twist? Sporting a slab-sided 9-inch rifled barrel and weighing a mere 2 pounds 4.7 ounces, it's way lighter than old-school steel versions, making it a joy to haul around. The factory optics rail doubles as a serrated rear sight, paired with a front blade, so it's ready out of the box or begging for a red dot upgrade. Borrowed from the Taurus Raging Hunter, that rubber grip soaks up recoil like a champ, keeping shots steady. Chambered for 45 Colt or 410, it's a combo king. Slugs for reach, shot for spread. At $257.99 MSRP, it's an affordable entry into pistol shotguns. Updated with Tuffy-inspired tweaks for better field handling. Think about plinking at the range. It's a total hoot, grouping tight with 45 or patterning wide with birdshot. Or tucked in your kit for backcountry adventures. It's quick to deploy against varmints without the bulk. Sure, single shot means deliberate reloading, but that forces smart shooting, turning you into a marksman. In tight spots or open trails, the Brawler's that quirky powerhouse that surprises everyone, including you. Wrapping this up, folks, the 410 no underdog. It's the clever fox in a den of wolves, blending low recoil ease with do-it-all grit for hunters, defenders, and range rats alike. From the Mossberg's classic pump to the Governor's caliber chaos, these picks prove why every American gun safe needs one. Lightweight, versatile, and ready to rumble without the bruise. Whether you're blasting birds, bucking threats, or slinging slugs, this boar's got your back in the field or fortress. So, which one's landing in your collection? Drop your thoughts below. Do you own a 410 or is one calling your name? If this roundup lit a fire, smash that like button, subscribe to Survival Gear Armory, and hit notifications for more deep dives into gear that keeps you armed and awesome. Stay safe out there, and we'll catch you in the next one.